This is Steven, Edgar, and Kiefer. This is a import car, Volkswagen, moped, dirt bike, etc., etc. And he's gonna do his best sound effects. So whenever you're ready.
Hey, baby.
Be quiet, man.
And Brandy.
And Brandon.
The guys. Cisco's watching computer.
And Cisco's in the living room. So whenever you're ready, man.
All right.
Do that. You gotta do that shit. Yeah.
What?
Do the import first. Drip that shit. Dripped it. Dripped it.
Fuck.
Close the door.
Fuck. Alright, whatever.
Do your moped now.
Moped?
Do the moped.
It's like a two-stroke dirt bike. Alright. Fucking speak it.
Do the dirt bike. Now do the Volkswagen, that's the last one, and then do the small shit.
Fuck. Why you didn't V6?
Do V6 then.
Oh, and the Subaru too. And the Subaru. That was so sick. Fuck.
Dude, dirt bike.
The dirt bike again?
Just bike.
Alright, Volkswagen, last one.
That shit gonna run out yet?
That's just bike.
You only got 2 minutes 39 seconds.
Oh, wait.
Perfect stall.
And a weed whacker?
Weed whacker. Oh shit. That's fucking hilarious.
That's all I can do though.
That's all the sounds. Awesome. Oh my god. That shit's fucking hilarious.